Alright guys, this is our 2018 Mahindra ROXOR with stage 2 tune installed, and it's also got the DOT windshield with windshield wipers and turn signal kit. Just some things to point out and pay attention to. Robert's going to be filming the speedometer and all while we're just doing some quick acceleration runs. Just kind of pay attention to how quick the pickup is. We'll do a video on a stock ROXOR as well. So this tune takes these buggies from about 62 horsepower to somewhere in the neighborhood of about 125 horsepower. There's also a clutch replacement that's associated with it. This is the first one that we've done, and we've been testing for about 4 or 5 days now. And so far so good. Definitely much better acceleration, good bit more power, and if you look back at the tailpipe, it rolls cold now. As far as startup, drivability, everything else is still every bit as good as what it was, but it definitely has a lot more usable power as far as getting up to speed. Just driving around the town, getting out the traffic. Anyhow, that's pretty much it as far as the on-road. We'll do some off-road testing here in just a moment. Alright, so we're just going to tool around a little bit. This isn't anything major. Let's see if we can't throw a roost up behind us.